Oh, good morning, park rangers. You're here early.
We have a surprise.
A surprise?
We made something awesome!
Yeah, and it can even help with our first task, the daily Dino check. A Dino bike!
A dino bike?
Yeah, it has super speed and invisibility mode.
And it does this!
It's a raptor! It's a raptor! Duck! Save yourselves! Get down! Duck and cover! Duck and cover!
The bike!
Oh, it sounded so real.
Here, try it, Power Ranger Darren.
Ah, no, thanks. I'm too tired.
Tired? But you just got here.
And this can help you get away fast if a dino is chasing you.
Yeah, because you're a pretty slow runner.
I'm not too slow. I just like to give them a chance. You know, so they don't feel bad about themselves.
You don't know how to ride a bike, do you?
No, I'm too scared. I don't know how to do it.
But it's for your own safety.
But I don't.
Yeah, let's teach you.
No, I don't know how to do. I'll just try on these dino sneaks. Come on.
It's gonna fit.
Oh, walk. I'll try the other one. All right, teach me.
Remember, start off with one pedal, push off, like this.
And you look forward to keep your balance, like this.
Okay, got it. I'm ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Never mind.
Okay, false start. Try again.
Gotcha.
1, 2, 3.
Did it work?
You forgot to pedal.
Let's give him a push-up start. 1, 2.
What's the smell?
I'm sorry. When I get nervous, I get gassy.
Oh, hurry up. Let's do this quick.
That's worse than Dino 2.
1, 2.
Wait, I'm not ready.
3.
Oh.
We need to regroup.
Oh. Are you laughing at me? That is not very nice.
What can we do to just make him do it?
He needs motivation.
Never, ever, nuh-uh. Don't think about it. Raptors?
Yeah, like a really good reason.
Exactly, where he can do nothing but ride.
Raptors! Save yourselves!
Yes! He's riding! Yes! Wait, we never taught him how to brake.
Uh-oh. And he's heading towards the T-Rex area!
And he left his walkie!
Okay, I'm riding a bike. I'm riding a bike from the Raptors. Here, have a snack. Eat my lunch. No, yeah, how do I turn on super speed? You're still there. What does this button do? Eat my dust, Raptors. The Brachiosaurus is no. Duck, 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 duck.
Wow, that was a close one.
At least he got away from those raptors. Phew, they're gone.
A snack. Want one?
No, thanks. I'm gonna call Power Ranger Aaron and see if he can help.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Park Rangers, how you doing?
Not good. Power Ranger Dan's riding a bike and he doesn't know how to stop.
Yeah, and he's going right towards T-Bone. What do we do?
I've never seen that one before. You're gonna have to use your Park Ranger skills to come up with a plan, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Isn't there a cliff in the T-Rex area?
Yeah?
You're gonna have to run!
Ah! Come on, follow me. I know a shortcut.
Ah! Stop! Stop mode. Please stop. Go no more. Call my mommy. Oh, for heaven help me. Oh, not you. Shoo, shoo. Get away. Naughty. No. Invisibility mode. Invisible now. Go invisible. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Oh. Yes, I'm invisible.
Are you sure this will work?
Yes, Dino Duty can be used for good things too.
Uh-oh, I'm almost at the T-Rex area. What if he sniffs me out? Or what if I reach the cliff? Help! How do I stop? Help!
What was that sound?
It sounds like Park Ranger Darren, but I don't see him.
Oh no! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah!
Park Ranger Darren? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I didn't know how to stop. I can't believe I would be happy to fall in a pile of Dino Duty.
Yeah, you're having a pretty stinky day.
And remember, next time if you want to stop, just squeeze the handles and the bike will brake for you.
That's it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that in the Dino database to remember.
Yeah.
I think I'll finish my daily Dino check on foot. No more riding bikes for me for a bit. On second thought, I'm ready now.